BIS Certification Consultancy Services by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Industry and regulatory background. In today's highly regulated manufacturing and import environment, product compliance is no longer optional. It is a mandatory business requirement. The Government of India, through the Bureau of Indian Standards or BIS, has implemented strict quality and safety regulations across multiple industries to ensure that products entering in the Indian market meet defined Indian standards and consumer safety requirements. Manufacturers, importers, brand owners, and foreign exporters are now required to comply with various quality control orders, commonly known as QCOs, issued by different ministries and regulatory departments. Failure to obtain mandatory BIS certification can lead to import clearance issues, product seizure or rejection, regulatory penalties, delayed market entry, loss of business opportunities, legal non-compliance risks. As BIS regulations continue to expand across product categories, businesses require specialized technical and regulatory support to ensure accurate compliance and timely certification approvals. This is where URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides comprehensive BIS consultancy and compliance management solutions. Now, understanding BIS certification. The Bureau of Indian Standards, established under the BIS Act, is the national standards authority responsible for product standardization, quality certification, product safety regulation, conformity assessment, consumer protection through standardized manufacturing practices. BIS certification confirms that a product complies with applicable Indian standards, technical specifications, and safety requirements. Depending on the product category, BIS certification may be mandatory under quality control orders, voluntary for market credibility and quality assurance. Now, major BIS certification schemes. Let us see this. URGS International provides consultancy support across multiple BIS schemes and regulatory frameworks. First, ISI Mark Certification Scheme. The ISI Mark scheme is one of the most recognized certification systems in India. Products under mandatory certification must obtain BIS licensing before manufacturing, selling, or importing into India. This scheme involves product testing as per Indian standards, factory inspection by BIS officials, assessment of manufacturing infrastructure, verification of quality control systems, ongoing surveillance and compliance monitoring. Industries commonly covered include electrical appliances, cement products, steel materials, cables and wires, pressure cookers, household products, construction materials. The ISI mark represents conformity, safety, reliability, and quality assurance. Then second, compulsory registration scheme, CRS. The compulsory registration scheme or CRS primarily applies to electronics and IT products regulated under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, known as MEITY. Under CRS, products must be tested in BIS recognized laboratories. Manufacturers must register with BIS. Products must bear the standard mark with registration number. Common CRS products include LED lights, mobile phones, power adapters, smart watches, electronic displays, laptops and computers, power banks, USB devices, audio and video equipment. Non-compliant electronic products may face customs detention or market restrictions. URGS International supports clients through every stage of CRS registration and compliance management. Now, Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme FMCS. Foreign manufacturers exporting products to India under mandatory BIS certification must comply with the Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme. FMCS includes appointment of authorized Indian representative, submission of technical documentation, factory inspection by BIS officials, product testing in approved laboratories, compliance verification of manufacturing systems. This process requires extensive coordination between overseas factories, Indian representatives, testing laboratories, and BIS authorities. URGS International assists international manufacturers in simplifying FMCS approval procedures and maintaining regulatory compliance. Now, BIS certification process, technical workflow. The BIS certification process involves several technical and regulatory stages. URGS International provides structured support through each phase. Step 1. Product classification and standard identification. The first step is identifying applicable Indian standard, product category, certification scheme applicability, relevant quality control disorder. Incorrect classification can lead to application rejection or regulatory non-compliance. Our experts perform detailed technical evaluation to determine correct certification or pathways. Now step 2. Technical documentation preparation. Proper documentation is critical for BIS approval. URGS International assists with preparation and verification of product specifications, construction details, circuit diagrams, PCB layouts, bill of materials, factory process flow charts, calibration records, quality manuals, internal test reports, trademark authorization documents, label artwork and marking compliance. We ensure documentation aligns with BIS technical guidelines and application requirements. Now step 3. Product testing. Product testing must be conducted in BIS recognized laboratories. Testing verifies compliance related to electrical safety, mechanical strength, thermal performance, EMC and EMI requirements, energy efficiency, material composition, performance parameters. URGS International coordinates laboratory selection, sample submission, technical clarification, and test report management. Step 4. BIS application filing. The BIS application process includes online registration, technical data submission, documentation upload, fee payment, regulatory declarations. Errors in filing can delay approvals significantly. Our consultants ensure accurate and compliant application submission. Now step 5. Factory inspection and audit support. For schemes requiring factory audits, BIS officials evaluate manufacturing capability, production process controls, quality assurance systems, testing infrastructure, raw material traceability, in-process inspection procedures. URGS International assists manufacturers with audit readiness assessment, pre-inspection support, CAPA implementation, compliance gap analysis. This improves audit preparedness and reduces non-conformity risks. Now step 6. Grant of license and post-certification compliance. Once approved, manufacturers receive BIS license authorization. However, compliance responsibilities continue after certification. Businesses must maintain product consistency, routine testing, factory quality controls, record maintenance, surveillance audit readiness. URGS International supports ongoing compliance management and renewal activities. Now challenges faced by manufacturers. Many businesses face difficulties due to complex BIS regulations, frequent policy updates, technical documentation errors, delayed laboratory testing, non-compliance during audits, incorrect product categorization, incomplete applications. Without professional support, these issues can result in major delays and financial losses. URGS International helps businesses minimize risks through structured regulatory guidance and technical expertise. Now, industries we support. We provide BIS consultancy for multiple sectors including electronics and electrical products, industrial machinery, automotive components, renewable energy products, LED and lighting systems, consumer appliances, steel and construction materials, chemicals and industrial products, telecom equipment, smart devices and IoT products. Now, why businesses choose URGS International? At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we focus on delivering technical accuracy, regulatory expertise, transparency consultancy support, transparent consultancy support, faster coordination processes, end-to-end certification assistance, client-focused compliance solutions. Our objective is to simplify certification complexities and help businesses achieve a smooth market access in India. Whether you are a domestic manufacturer, a foreign exporter and importer, a startup launching a new product, or an established company expanding product lines, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is ready to support your BIS certification and regulatory compliance journey with professional expertise and reliable consultancy services. Please contact us. Our contact information is our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. So please contact us and like and subscribe our channel also. Thank you.